Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel course. This is day 5. In previous classes, we learned sum, average and count. Today we are going to make Excel even more powerful. We'll learn three more important functions: mean, max and if. So watch this video till the end. Main function. Let's start with the mean function. Mean, find smallest number from the given range. For example, we'll mean B2 to B10. Press enter. Excel will show the lowest value. Where do we use mean? We use mean to find lowest value, minimum salary, and cheapest price. Max, find the largest number in a range. For example, equal max B2 to B10. Press enter. Excel will display the highest value. Where do you use max? We use max for highest marks and maximum sales, biggest numbers. Now comes one of the most powerful Excel function, if. If checks a condition. If the content is true, one result. If the condition is false, another result. Let's take example. If marks are greater than or equal to 40, the result should be pass, otherwise fail. Formula: equal if B2 greater than or equal to 40, comma, pass, comma, fail. And make sure you have put in double inverted comma in the pass and fail. Excel will automatically show you pass or fail. Bonus example: if your sales are greater than 1000, give bonus, otherwise no bonus. C. Excel become your smart assistant. So there are common mistakes which you will do. Here are the mistake beginner do: forgetting commas, not using quotation marks for the text, wrong condition. Always check your formula before pressing enter. So for the pro tip, once you understand if function, you can start building automation in Excel. This function is heavily used in offices, report and real job. Homework. Your homework is create a mark sheet and find out minimum marks, maximum marks and result. Then create a pass or fail system using if, that is called result. Also create a sales bonus system. Practice is secret to mastery. That's all for the day 5. If this video helped you, please like this video and share also. In next classes, we will learn percentage, rate, advanced if. Thank you for the watching. See you in the day 6.